Hi everyone, there have been a lot of questions about how to burp a baby, so I thought now would be a good time because he just finished his bottle. There are 3 positions that usually work, but the thing to remember is if you don't get a burp in the first minute, give up. There is absolutely no reason to try for half an hour or longer as some parents do, because if there isn't a burp there, you're not going to get one. So the first way is to take him and put him over your shoulder and just rest his stomach right against you and pat on the back. And babies are really resilient, so you want to give a nice firm pat, not a soft little nothing. So we'll try that for a little bit, see if Trenty has a burp. Can you give me one, Trent? Nope, one of his man burps is not, oh, he just did a little one. So that's one way of doing it. The other way to do it is to actually sit them up, and you always want to have a little burp cloth because he's a spitter, but if you have him sitting up, leaning forward, same patting on the back. And this sometimes works best for some babies. Nope. And last but not least is using your leg, putting the baby across your legs, put one knee higher so their head is up, and again, you just put pressure against them and see if that does it. So Trent gave us a little one, but those are 3 methods to try, and if you don't get a burp, move on.